Hey Steve, good morning everybody. I'm Craig Smith. This is my wife Melanie, and welcome to Ramblin' Home. This is Dixie the Bus, and come on in, we'll show you around. Up front we've got the cockpit. We tried to keep it pretty much as is. We put a little bit of color up in the front and a bookshelf.
I think it's a copper pipe.
Yeah, that's adds a little pop of color, and it's a cheap solution for a lot of problems. You'll see we've also got it for some curtain rods.
Yep.
Down the side. Did the tongue and groove. It's worked out real well for us. This used to be a dinette. We just kind of collapsed it and made the dog's bedroom underneath. And then for dining over here, we've got the two director's chairs and a table that will pop up. And then we spin them around to eat, and then we want to entertain. We spin them back around, put the table down, and we're good to go. Got a little bit of storage under each bench on this side, and of course the storage across the top here. So far,
I like the use of the pipe.
yeah, again we did the copper theme and just took the pipe holders and put a little leather on there to dress it up.
I love the use of things you wouldn't think of using them for other things.
Trying to be a little creative, trying to be green, trying to reuse and repurpose as much as we can. A lot of the stuff came out of our house before we sold it. So here we go. If we move back a little bit further, let me get some lights, brighten it up for us a little here. Look at this. Forgot to throw the switch. The lights will pop on here in just a second, but this is obviously the kitchen area. We put in a new countertop. We've got the Berkey style. We've got Berkey filters. It's not an actual Berkey there. Filter all of our drinking water. In the back underneath the bed we've got a 100-gallon tank of fresh water. Holding tanks are underneath. We do not have black water. We went with a compost toilet, so that works out real well as far as the water system goes. The smaller fridge we went with because it was able to fit under the counter and keep things as open as possible. It's just the two of us, and so far we have had absolutely no issues with running out of space. We go 2 weeks and we're good as far as the food goes. There were cabinets up here. We took them out and went with, again, incorporating a little bit more of the copper and an open shelf to give us more of that open feeling. An apartment stove, pretty basic. It works real well for us. You do get some rattle. So one of the little tricks I learned is to get these super magnets, and you can stick those under the burners, and it takes the rattle right out. So if anybody's got some burners that rattle, that's the way to go right there.
Great idea.
In here is the bathroom. We got the compost toilet on this side, and just a little basin here, and then a full-size shower right over there.
Yep.
Works out real well.
And a picture of an ugly guy holding a camera.
Yeah, that's a good-looking guy. Back here is kind of a twofold area. On this side over here, we've got a huge pantry, which holds everything. A little bit messy. We haven't quite settled from the ride in on these roads yet. Yeah. Underneath, we have two totes, one for each of us with clothing. That's our seasonal, and if something wears out, we've got something to back us up with the clothes there. This side over here is our utility closet. And in here, I've got a lot of tools. Over on this side is an on-demand water heater. This is our Goal Zero Yeti 3000X power station, which is all the solar. We've got 400 watts of panels on the roof. We're probably going to increase that a little bit, but the Goal Zero has been more than adequate. It takes care of everything that we have. And then moving back here into the bedroom, we've got some stuff on the bed because I didn't know that Steve was going to show up and video us today. Queen size bed, shelves over the top. We've got another TV back here. And on each side we have a his and hers closet with more storage, a door of storage on this side, and just some shelves over here with some storage. A little step for the short folks like me to hop up in there. And that's about it.
Very nice.
This is home sweet home.
Yeah. Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. Thanks for coming in.
Do you have any social media contacts? Different?
The only thing that we have going right now is Instagram, and it's at ramblin.home.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Right? See you next time, YouTube. Bye.